In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Basketball Zero on controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up a controller to play Basketball Zero. As you can see, I have the controller connected, so I'm going to go ahead and join the experience. You will notice that when you read the description, they only have keyboard controls, so it seems like they don't have official support for controllers, but in general, it should work without any problems. So when you join the experience, you will load in and you should have already connected controller by this point. I am doing this on a PC with a generic Xbox controller connected, but you can do the exact same thing by simply joining the game on your Xbox or PlayStation console. When you log in, you will be able to press select to have this sort of cursor, allowing you to navigate around the menus and close down any pop-ups and other warnings. You can still navigate through all of them here before going into a match, so you can change your style, see the different zones, go into your locker, and so on. Overall, it's simple to navigate through all of the options. You can move around using the left stick, move your camera with the right stick, and when you start playing, you will have access to all of the usual actions when you get inside. So as you can see, jump shoot is bound to X, Y is set to pressure defense, you can dunk with left bumper, dribble with right bumper, steal with RB, and so on. So that everything should be configured, and if you ever get confused, simply look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Sadly, I don't play a lot of Basketball Zero, and I'm recording this on a private server, so I won't be able to showcase a lot of gameplay, especially against other players, but overall it is simple, and everything should work without any problems. As long as you join the experience using a controller, everything will be set up for you to play when you get inside of a match. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.